Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Alicia Angelina and today I will be the moderator of this group. Before starting, I would like to thank to our lecturer, Ms. Nur Aini, for giving us this assignment. Without this assignment, we probably not aware of the devastating effects of climate change. Also, I would like to introduce my group members. There are Nur Aulia Asdar, Andi Alia Maharani, Nadia Fani, Zakiratul Munawwara, and myself. So, in today's presentation, our group will bring topics about the impacts of climate change on the earth and the people on it. Okay, without waiting any longer, I invite my group member to present. To my group members, time is yours.
Okay, well, thanks for the opportunity that has been given to me. So let me start the effect of climate change on the earth and the people on it. I'll tell you about the definition of climate change. Climate change is a change in weather patterns caused either directly or indirectly by human activity that change the composition of the global atmosphere and variability of natural climates over comparable time periods. The composition of the global atmosphere is the composition of the Earth's atmosphere in the form of greenhouse gases or GHG, which includes carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen, and so on.
Causes of climate change. 1. Driving a car. When we want to drive a car, we definitely need gasoline. Gasoline includes fossil fuels. Exhaust gas in cars also contains many other chemical gas pollutions. This is, of course, one of the indisputable causes of climate change. 2. Garbage disposal. When throwing food and garbage into the dump site, the garbage will slowly be buried into the earth. This will lead to climate change. When the garbage that is at the bottom of it decomposes, it will form methane gas.
3. Safeties for refrigerators and aerosols. Is an organic component has a function as a coolant and a burner in aerosols. The use of CFC can be used for the industrial process. Basically, CFC is not dangerous, but because of its excessive use, CFC can damage the ozone layer, which protects the Earth from solar radiation. This could lead to climate change that creates about 10,000 times the greenhouse effect of CO2. 4. Agriculture and livestock. In agriculture, when farmers add nitrogen fertilizer to the soil, some of the nitrogen turns into nitrous oxide, a very potent greenhouse gas. In livestock, cows get methane gas when grass is fermented in its stomach. There are about 1-2 billion cattle in the world. All cows will definitely add to the levels of greenhouse gases that cause climate change around the world.
Hey, I'm Nur Aulia Asdar. I would like to continue my friends explaining, and I would like to explain about the impact of climate change. The impact of climate. Climate change does not only affect the changed environment, but also human behavior, physical and mental. Climate change can result in extreme weather change such as hot weather, storms, and drought, causing several change in human behavior such as increased disease and the risk of heart disease. And the second is water quality and quantity. High rainfall will reduce the quality of water source. In addition, global warming will increase the amount of water in the atmosphere, which in turn increase rainfall. Although an increase in rainfall can actually increase the number of clean water sources, but too much rainfall can result in the possibility of water returning directly to the sea without having time to be stored in clean water source for human use. And the last is increasing disease outbreaks change can increase the spread of epidemics or deadly diseases such as malaria, cholera, and dingy vapor. In fact, ozone depletion causes an increase in the intensity of ultraviolet rays reaching the Earth's surface, which cause skin cancer, cataracts, and decreased immunity, so that humans are vulnerable to diseases such as asthma, allergies, cardiovascular disease, heart disease, and stroke. Thank you.
With the end of the presentation from the last member of our group, I can conclude that climate change is the occurrence of change in atmospheric conditions, such as temperature, weather, which causes uncertain conditions. Climate change can also be said to be a condition in which the temperature on Earth has increased and the human season have shifted. Human activity are the main cause of the climate change. As a result of this human activity, many impacts such as extreme weather change, drought, the increase of disease, and so on. Well, that's all we can say at this presentation. If there are still deficiencies in our presentation, please forgive us. Thank you for all your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning.